Today we'll learn about AWS billing section. Okay, so we'll be setting up some budget so that we do not incur any cost for using the services during this training. Okay. So basically the billing service can be accessed by typing the billing, okay, or else you can also access under your username from the top right corner, which is my billing dashboard. So basically AWS budgets allows you to set custom budgets to track your cost and usage from the simplest of the most complex use cases. Okay. So with the help of the budget you can choose to be alerted by email or simple notification service SNS when actual or forecasted cost and usage is exceeded your budget threshold. Okay. So let's define a budget. This is the dashboard which shows up the spend summary, like what you have spent last month and forecasted. It also shows the forecasted cost, whether any amount is due or not. It shows over here. It also displays the alerts and notifications which you need to take care. Okay. So let's define a budget. So click on the budget link under the home. Okay, I have already defined a budget of $0.10, but let's create a new budget. These are the various budgets that you can set, which is cost budget, usage budget, reservation budget, and savings plan budget. All have different meanings. Like cost budget can monitor your cost against a specified amount and receive alerts when your user defined thresholds are met. Usage means when you can monitor your usage and specified usage types and groups and receive alerts based on the thresholds. And reservation budgets means your RI coverage associated with your reservations. So these budgets are supported by EC2. Only some of the services are supported by the reservation budget, which are EC2, RDS, Redshift, and the last one is savings plan budget. But for this hands-on, we'll be doing with the cost budget. So if the threshold is met at particular cost, we should be alerted. Alright, we'll create a budget over here. I've named it as my first budget. For it will be a period of on a monthly basis. It's gonna be a recurring. If you want, you can expire this budget by selecting the expiring budget option. It is going to be fixed and the budgeted amount will be $10. Okay, and we'll configure the threshold. Okay, so let's say if it reaches the 80% of the threshold of the budgeted actual cost, like if it reaches the $8, then we'll get a notification. So you can define the email addresses over here to which you want to send notifications to. Okay, and you can also configure SNS, okay, and chatbot alerts as well, but for the purpose of training we'll keep it to email the recipients. Okay, next we'll click on confirm budget. This is the review page where you can review, like name, monthly, and start date would be 1st November. Budgeted cost is $10. It looked good, so we'll create the budget, and here we go. So now whenever the cost reaches up to $8 threshold, it's gonna alert us on my email address that I have configured in the budget. So that's it for the budget section. Now we assure that an alert will be sent to us when our threshold is reached, and we are good to go with the training course. Thank you.